Hello farmers. Another thing I want to discuss with you today, my name is Dr. Abubakar Issa. We are always focused on solving your problems, and one of the problems most of you have, especially broiler farmers, is market. And there are some certain mistakes you make which I would like to give you an insight about. As a poultry farmer, as a broiler farmer, immediately you book your birds, the next thing you should do is to start your marketing strategies. Because once your birds are ready for harvest and you are unable to sell them, that will start eating into your profit. So you need to develop a robust marketing strategy. You have to make sure that you do your market survey before your birds are ready. Immediately you book your birds. Once you start brooding, make sure you start advertising. Most times we advise our farmers, as you're brooding, make videos, take pictures, post on your status, post on your social media platforms to show people, to show the general public that you have birds, that you're brooding. That will give some people information that at so point in time, so person will actually have birds ready for sale. You can also do your market research in your immediate environment. You can try to visit some certain places where you know you are going to actually get buyers for your birds before your birds are actually ready for market. Broiler farmers, most times, you either sell live weight or dressed weight. We advise you to get profit, to get to maximize profit in your business. We advise that you follow the dressed weight pattern, because this will give you more value for your work. It will give you more value for your business, because most times, even people that buy live weight, when they come, you know what they do? They raise your chickens and they weigh them by their own mindset. But this might not be profitable for you. So we advise you to sell dressed weight. And for you to do that, you have to make sure you get reliable sources to sell your dressed weight chicken. People that buy live weight most times are middlemen. We also advise you, this is not good for your biosecurity maintenance, because these middlemen travel to a lot of places. They go to a lot of farms and they can be a source of infection to your farm. But for you to sell dressed weight, you have to make sure that you get a reliable source. An example, Poultry Africa can solve this problem for you. You can always call us to buy your birds, we'll prepare them, and we'll buy per kg weight. And we'll also make sure that you receive your payment after 24 hours of buying and dressing your birds. This solves another problem for you. Sometimes some people will buy your birds and then it takes a week, sometimes more than that. You have to call them, you have to start chasing them about asking for your money. This will not even give you the capacity to book for another bird, to put in another batch for you to start raising another batch of birds. What we pay you within 24 hours, we evaluate, we look at the market trends, we look at several factors to make sure that you maximize profits, because we don't want to cheat our farmers, because we watch out for our farmers. These things are very critical and essential for you to look out for in doing your broiler business. If this has helped you, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.